presenting a pre-owned 2017 Honda. 2017 Honda HR-V XL with Navi, style, comfort, and efficiency in one sleek package. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 1.8-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 113,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 27 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Introducing the 2017 Honda HR-V XL with Navi, a compact SUV packed with style and features. Powered by a spirited 1.8L i4 engine with 141 horsepower, it's perfect for city cruising. Enjoy premium touches like gray leather seats, heated fronts, factory navigation, a power moonroof, and a backup camera. Finished in eye-catching white, this HR-V delivers great fuel economy, 27 mpg city and 31 mpg highway. Clean Carfax and excellent condition mean it's ready to roll with confidence. Don't miss your chance to own this well-equipped, reliable ride. Schedule your test drive today. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.